Hi, I'm Nick Augustine, Project Manager here at ARC Specialties. Today I'm going to talk about another addition to our line of sand screen manufacturing systems, the ARC-11 screen cutting system. At the far end is the in-feed gravity conveyor and singulator system. At the near end is the out-feed gravity conveyor for finished cut-to-length parts. The orbital saw is in the middle of the system. To start the process, the operator inputs the rough stock dimensions and enters the required cut lengths for each pipe on the operator station. The system then automatically feeds in the rough screens using laser sensors. It locates both ends of the pipe. Once the pipe information is known, the system begins feeding the pipe into the saw chamber. Short cuts are dropped at the saw chamber, small cuts are deposited in a hopper further down the system, and longer cuts are stacked on the outfeed rack. The saw then performs a partial cut and then a through cut while orbiting the stationary part. The two cuts leave a cleaner and squarer cut. The system compensates for saw blade wear by probing the part with the saw blade once for each new pipe. The orbital saw design allows for more of the blade to be used for larger parts because it does not need to cut through the diameter of the pipe. It only needs to penetrate a little bit more than the wall thickness and then orbit around the circumference of the pipe. The orbital saw design extends the usable life of the blade. We reduce downtime by reducing blade changes. More uptime increases production and reduces blade waste because we don't throw away blades that are still usable. All cuts are performed with two clamps engaged with a part to prevent part movement. Cut speed, depth, and RPM are all programmable. Saw torque and cutting force are monitored. The outfeed clamp supports longer cut parts. Once the cut is finished, the outfeed carriage will drop the part in a hopper for shorter parts or release it onto the outfeed rack for longer parts. This system is designed to run automatically as long as new product is added to the infeed rack and cut parts are removed before filling the outfeed rack. This is one of many sand screen manufacturing systems we produce here at ARC Specialties. If you're in need of automated sand screen equipment, contact us. ARC Specialties thrives on problems. Send us yours.